friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a twisted poppy from Dandy's World. So first we're going to get started with the bow on the top, and in the center we're going to start by drawing in a sideways oval. On both sides now, starting further over towards the side, we're going to curve this line around and then out. And now starting back on our line here, we're just going to again curve this line around and then up. Now from here, moving underneath, from that point, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And we're just going to end this at the same height on both sides. Now from here, moving under, on both sides, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then starting back on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Now we're going to draw in two curved lines from the center, arching that out on both sides. Moving over now, on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line up, down, back up, down, up, and then across for our drip pattern. And then on the left hand side, we're going to make it slightly different. So we're going to bring this line down, up, back down, up, down, and then across. Now on the top left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval. Moving underneath, we're going to draw in a smaller oval. Moving over on the right hand side now, we're going to draw in another oval. And then beside that, an even smaller one. And now moving up on the right, let's draw in our last oval for the drip pattern. And now let's close off the head. So underneath, we're going to curve this line around and then up towards the right for the bottom of the face. Let's come in and draw the eyes now. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a half circle, curving this line around and then in for our right eye. And then we'll do the same thing moving over, just leaving a small gap in the center. Underneath, we're going to curve this line across. Now moving back inside of our circle for both of our eyes, we're going to draw in another half circle. We're going to move over on the left, replicating that. And now in the center, we're going to draw in a circle on both eyes. Now for the mouth, starting on the bottom, we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right. And then starting on the left, we're going to curve this line around and then back in on the right. In the center now, we're going to draw in a straight line directly up towards the top. And then we'll draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. Let's move down for the dress now. On both sides, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. Now from that corner, we're going to arch this line out. And then now let's close this off on the bottom with a nice big curved line from left to right. For the arms, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. From that point, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then from that point here, we're going to curve this line down for the thumb. Moving behind here now for the bubble, we're just going to curve this line all the way around and up towards the top. Now let's come down and draw on the legs. So on both sides, we're just going to draw on a diagonal line that comes out. We're going to curve this line around and then in for the foot. And then now from here, from that corner, we're just going to draw in another line that comes up towards the bottom of our dress. We're going to close this off with a curved line. Now let's draw in the drip pattern. So we're going to be wavy with this as we come all the way across towards the right. And then we're going to continue this as we come over towards our right leg. Now from here on the left-hand side, let's draw in an oval. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then on the inside of our leg, we're going to draw in a half circle on both sides. And that is it. That's how you draw Twisted Poppy from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.